Kicking off a little water feature renovation today. These folks had a pondless waterfall stream that was really old and leaking and really just in bad shape and not built super well from the get-go, so we're redoing the whole thing. Found this little guy hanging out in the stream as we were pumping it out. Good sized little bullfrog, don't worry. No harm came to the little fella. So we kick off day one by just taking the whole thing out, demoing, setting aside some boulders we're going to use later. One of the problems with this water feature is that it had a very above the ground feel to it, and this is really not ideal. We want it to be set in the ground, looking very natural, so we're going to do it very differently this time around.
Okay, we just got back from lunch. There's Wilson. Got all the demo done. Right now we're got to start at the bottom, so we're starting to dig out our reservoir area where the eco blocks are going to go, and then we'll just start digging out, working our way up the stream to the top.
The fun we ran into on this one was about 2/3 of the way down in our reservoir. We just hit bedrock, so had to break out the rock bar, break a good sweat, but we got it dug out the way we needed to. It just took a lot longer than we thought.
Some of these boulders we'll be able to reuse. We just want to clean them up so they're not just a muddy mess to work with. They'll look really nice when we put them in.
You can see here that what we did is we used some boulders to make a small retaining wall, because to avoid that above the ground look that we talked about earlier, we needed to add some extra elevation to where the waterfall started. So we used these boulders to build a wall that sort of wrapped around the beginning portion so we could raise the dirt level up so our water feature could be firmly set into the ground.
Okay, so right now we're waiting for our materials to get here. It's been kind of a fiasco to get our stuff, but our boys at Keelan are getting us hooked up today. So yeah, we thought we'd have them, supposed to have them sooner than this, but what can you do? Anyway, but they're supposed to be here any minute. And so we've just been working on getting our hole dug out deep enough over there. We got most of our boulder retaining wall built here, so we can create the elevation that we're after. We do need some more boulders, so but any minute all that stuff will be here so we can start putting our liners in, start working on our spillways, and then we'll really be able to rock and roll on this thing. But anyway, coming right along. All right, we finally got some stuff. Testing our hole, making sure it all fits in here. It looks good. Now we can put in the liner. All right, happy Wednesday. Is it though? It is. Okay, it is a happy Wednesday. We're back out here. We got all of our liners and everything in yesterday, and we're about to start building the stream. Adam's picking up the last of the materials that we need. We got our boulders. He's picking up the water feature parts. So we're gonna start right here. Always gotta start at the bottom. Start right here with this last spill where it spills over into the reservoir. We'll get the spillway built, and then we'll start putting our rocks back to the next spillway, back to the next spillway, and so on. Hopefully we can get some water running in this thing today. We'll see. You want to talk to me? So we're back from lunch. Adam's back with the rest of our stuff. I think I already said that. But he is working on the plumbing, getting the pump and everything plumbed in. He's gonna start running this hoses. And then me and Wilson are gonna keep working on the stream bed up here, getting these rocks in place. Let's see how much more we can get done this afternoon. About to plug it in. Turn it on. Magic moment. Let's see how she flows. Well, nothing's happened. Did it trip the breaker? Oh, feel it. Oh my God. Is that all it has? That's a super lame amount of water. Oh yeah, turn it all the way.
All the way up.
Had the valve closed off. Oh, okay. That's all the way up. It's better.
Kind of like a swinging disc right now.
Yeah, it looks like it needs to be leveled out a little bit. Good morning. I know what you're thinking. No, I didn't cut my hair. Somebody else did. But anyway, we're back over here at this job. Got water flowing last night. We're pretty happy with that. So now we're pulling these liners back up so we can do some more backfilling on this side just to get the dirt levels up to where we need it, to make sure the liners are all good on the edges and the water's not going to spill out anywhere. And then we're going to do a few more finishing touches to the stream, add some more boulders on the outside of it just to try to make it blend in with the surroundings more. Then we're going to work on the landscaping and cleanup. We're getting close. Well, we made some good progress out here today. Got the stream finished. Just got a lot of done on the landscaping. Plants in, lights in. Well, put in, we gotta wire them up. And tomorrow we gotta finish up the mulch and the rock and the landscaping, clean everything up, wire in the lights, and we'll be done. Out of here. Okay, there's Joel. Oh my God. Got you spitting right on camera. All right, we're really getting things wrapped up out here. About to wire in all of our lights. Jason's back there making all kinds of noise. Me and Joel getting this wire run. We're gonna get this thing finished up today. Well, we are finished up out here. It looks awesome. Got everything cleaned up. Sprayed off, patio's clean, landscape is done, the lights are in. Can't wait to see it lit up one night. I'll come over here and take a peek at it.